Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry Site, and today we're here with Mike Sears. He is a sales director for the Midwest in poultry with Georgia Poultry. Thanks for being with us today, Mike.
Thanks for having me, Sarah.
Very good. And we're here at IPPE in Atlanta. It's the first day and we're just getting going. Tell me a little bit about this new fan.
Yeah, so this is our new 36-inch poly exhaust fan. These are used typically in a minimum ventilation
Okay.
setup in a lot of the broiler houses. And this fan is relatively new. I think we showed it last year, but we've only had it in production for about, 9 months,
Okay.
12 months at the most. So a couple of really nice features about this fan is it has our X-brace design that a lot of people know about from our larger fans. So it's very stable, very quiet, and runs very smoothly. And the other really nice feature is we offer 2 different styles in this fan, a high
Okay.
volume. So our high volume fan will pull somewhere around 14,500 CFMs at a 0.1 static pressure,
Okay.
which is a really
Yeah.
high volume for minimum vent. And then we also offer it in a version that pulls about almost 11,000 CFMs.
Okay.
If you don't want quite that much
Yeah.
ventilation from the high flow fan.
Right.
So we offer again two what's the word I'm looking for?
Options.
2 options.
Right.
Exactly. High flow,
Right.
kind of a standard.
A lot
flow.
of flexibility with it, it sounds
Exactly.
like, right?
That's exactly right. We probably also could put it with a variable speed motor, and you could do it, with a VFD style and
Right.
really tune in for whatever ventilation you wanted to do. But this is just our standard model here.
Fantastic. And tell us a little bit, kind of bottom line, what is a product like this bring to producers?
Yeah, so I think it brings a lot of value to the poultry grower because of the material it's made out of, the poly.
Right.
It's basically going to last the lifetime of
Yeah.
the broiler house, right? So about the only thing that may have to be replaced would be a belt or a
Right.
motor, some of those type parts. But this fan, as long as it doesn't get damaged, from whatever,
Right.
it's going to be there.
And at a time when labor is short, products that you don't have to service are important, right?
Absolutely, and we're using a really high quality bearing on these. If it just gets a little shot of grease every once in a while,
Yeah.
it should last the grower a long, long time. So everything else in there is galvanized or aluminum. Just should last a long, long time.
Great, great. Thank you again so much, Mike. We really appreciate it. Oh, and we should mention before we close out, right behind us is a larger version, right?
Correct. This is our 57-inch tunnel fan, or maximum exhaust fan.
Yeah.
It basically has a lot of the same features as this, the butterfly shutter, and we put a 1.5 horsepower motor on this fan.
Right.
We actually put a 1-horse motor on our 36-inch fan, which is a really
Big,
nice size
yeah.
motor, so should be no problem from a service factor standpoint.
Very
So,
good.
Yep.
But again, options, right? Depending on what type of setup you have and what your needs are, Georgia Poultry's got you covered.
Absolutely.
Very good. Thanks so much again, Mike. This is Sarah Mikesell with the Poultry Site.